Hello, in this video we're going to be going over how to get the official Cobblemon Modpack for Forge using Modrinth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Browse button over on the left. We'll take a look at Modpacks, and inside of here we'll search for Cobblemon. We'll find the one that says Cobblemon Official Modpack Forge and click the Install button. And once that's done, we can head back over to the home page and click on the play button for our new Cobblemon Modpack on Forge. Once that's done, you can safely click Don't Show Again for these updates if it's present for you. We'll click on Single Player, and you can either jump into the Cobbled Farms world that's bundled with this, made by the Cobblemon team itself, or you can click Create New World in order to start a new single player world. Thanks for watching.